drive. Holy mother of God.
Man.
This is fucking crazy. Welcome to day one. I decided that I'm going to start doing a weekly vlog where I vlog my week and then compile it and put it up on Sundays. I am eliminating procrastination out of my life. Join me on this beautiful journey of welcoming discipline in my life. I'm going to try and do my nails today too because homegirl is looking dusty. Anyway, let's go do my little workout. I did 1.04 mile or something like that. I did it in 16 minutes and I burned 86 calories. Not bad, not terrible. Okay, I am done with my workout. Right about now, I'm gonna hop in the shower and do my skincare. Let's go. I just got dressed right about now. This is what I'm wearing. This cute dress. I am going to the jewelry store to go return some stuff. Let me see if I can show you my outfit. Yeah, real cute. So I'm going to go get my bracelet. It keeps getting caught on my clothes and it's annoying me. I'm going to change that for something else. Hopefully, let's see if I can get something. Let's go. I just got back. I got these earrings right here and I got this bracelet instead. It fits right on my wrist. Nothing too crazy, just plain old simple sets. Okay, so I just finished doing my reading. Right about now, I'm about to do my scripting. Now I'm about to do my code, followed by do a little coding, followed by that goes to show that I should stop coding in the damn bed. But will I learn? Absolutely not. At least if I learn, it's not today. Anyway, let's go do our lesson. El vestido verde es muy bonito.
Correo electrónico.
Electrónico?
Correo electrónico.
Is that email? Hopefully I get to see some manatees again today. Okay. I look cute today. Oh, look at this little squirrel. Hey, buddy boo.
He wants that peanut. We should have grabbed the peanut.
Hey.
He definitely wants that peanut. Should we go back and get it? See, this is the fun guy. Hey, man.
Hello. Good day.
No.
Oh, look down there. There's a bunch of turtle on a thing.
Oh, that's another big one.
What's up, player? Where you at?
He's coming right for her.
Oh boy, don't bite my toe.
Right.
What's up, player? You Gucci?
See? Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. He's like, yo, you guys got any that good?
Holy mother of
Oh,
God.
man.
This is
Yo.
fucking crazy.
We're gonna get you some peanuts, cuz, but you gotta wait a second, cuz. Yeah, let's go get them the peanuts before they flip.
Ain't got no food for you.
They got no fear. They don't even care.
I could eat you. You know that, right?
Nah, you don't eat them. Maybe one of them.
Where you at, play? Oh. Hey, what's up? Big homie. You're the most beautiful. Look, I touched him. You let me touch him. So I broke my fast today at 6 o'clock. Time is currently 7:34. All I ate and all I'm going to eat was that Panda Express food. I had the pineapple chicken, I had the sesame chicken, and I had the fried rice. I just got back from my run. As per usual, sweating like a pig. I did 1.2 miles. I did it in 17 minutes, which is really, really good. I'm proud of myself for that. The goal is to get down to doing it in 10 minutes. That is the goal. Anyway, let's go get the day started. I just finished my workout. It was very good. Right about now, I'm heading in the shower. Let's go to this morning routine.
Papá, tú no tienes zapatos rojos.
Papá, tú no tienes zapatas. Papá, tú no tienes zapatos rojos. Do you have a shoes? That do you have a shoe? Next time, message. Time is currently 3 o'clock. My first meal of the day is an orange and a fat juicy apple. So, meal number 1. This tastes so sweet to me. I don't know if it's because I'm doing the no sugar. Tastes really good. I'm out on a little walk. It's beautiful. The sun is about to set. Life is good. I just came back from my little run. I did 1.2 miles, but I put down the phone and ran in order to record. And I guess that wasn't counted as a part of it because the phone wasn't on my body. As you can see, I did my hair because I was looking dusty. I just got done with my workout, so right about now, I'm going to go wash my face, bathe, and do my skincare. So without further ado, let's go do what it do. I just finished doing, oh my god, I need to wax today. I see it, you see it, we see it. It's seen. They're fully grown adults with mortgages and 401ks. The hair is all done, looking cute. Look good. I love it. Elegant, beautiful cover girl. I just made lunch, so I have 2 sausages, bacon, an orange, and an apple. Bon appetit! I'm on my little evening walk. I haven't done any reading today, I haven't done any coding, I haven't done any scripting. I did do my Spanish and my workout, but that's all I've done today. He's scared of his own shadow. He keeps running to my foot. Yeah. All right. I'll talk to you when I get back to the house. All right. It seemed like I could have done it over there. Repository name. I think the repository, if my memory serves me right, was called the Capestone Project. So let me go ahead and put the Capestone Project. They say you're supposed to refresh, and then there should be a link at the top that you can share with anyone. Okie doke, so it worked. As you can see right here, I got the link to my little, 1 minute ago, I got the link to my little website that I created. Super happy. Tomorrow morning I have to wake up really early. I should be going to the beach. Oh damn, I still haven't waxed. And I'm going to the beach tomorrow. Gotta get up really early. The time is now 10:30. So I'm going to head on to bed. Good night. I didn't want to run this morning. I was going to put it off until in the evening, but I decided to get up and go do it. I'm very proud of myself today. Yeah, there are places in Jamaica that looks like this. But the thing that I like about Jamaica is, or the past, how do I explain? Now, once you mention mosquitoes, you lost mosquitoes, they're flies. Yep, this is beautiful. Florida crocodile alligator. Hey, what's up, player? Bye. Bye.